Welcome back to Cyber Theo. In today's short video, we're diving into the world of urban beekeeping, specifically, how to start your very own rooftop hive. Whether you're interested in producing your own honey, supporting local pollinators, or just curious about beekeeping, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's explore how you can transform your rooftop into a buzzing, sustainable haven. Why urban beekeeping? The environmental benefits of beekeeping, such as supporting urban pollinators and increasing green spaces. Also, the personal benefits of producing honey and wax. Understanding local regulations. Research local laws and regulations regarding beekeeping in urban areas. Obtain any necessary permits or approvals from your city or neighborhood. Setting up your hive. What you need: hive components, bees, package bees or nucleus colony, tools. Assemble the hive and install the frames. Introduce the bees to their new home, ensuring the queen is properly placed. Caring for your rooftop hive. Regular inspections, how to check on your bees and what to look for. Feeding your bees, what to feed them and when, especially during the winter. Managing swarming, tips on how to prevent and manage swarming in urban environments. Harvesting honey and wax. When and how to harvest honey without harming the bees. Collecting and processing beeswax for candles, balms, or other products. Safety and best practices. How to minimize risks to your bees and your neighbors. Handling bee stings and allergic reactions. And that's it, your guide to starting your rooftop hive in the city. Urban beekeeping is a rewarding hobby that benefits both you and the environment. However, always remember to be mindful of your neighbors and ensure you're following all local regulations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with more sustainable living tech tips. And if you're already a beekeeper or thinking about starting, drop a comment below with your experiences. Check out this link for more information about beekeeping. https://amzn.to/478v0fk. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo, and happy beekeeping.